Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to the channel. This is your host, Nav. We covered Workday function in the last video, which helped us calculating accurate deadlines for our individual tasks, skipping weekends and holidays. If you have not watched that tutorial, please go and watch it. Today, we are going to learn how to use NETWORKDAYS function. Since we have covered Workday function already, it should be way much easier for us to learn. Let's work with the same dataset. To calculate the task deadlines, we used start date, duration, and then gave it a list of holidays that we wanted it to skip as well. However, NETWORKDAYS function does not give us a deadline date, but it calculates how many working days are there between two given dates. Why do you need this function? Well, let's forget about the duration in this example, and assume you are speaking to your client about task 1. They want it done by 21st of May, and today is 1st of May. Initially, you would say there is a plenty of time to finish this task because you have got 20 days roughly before the desired deadline. However, there will be weekends which you are not taking into account. And yes, of course, how can we forget about holidays? Let's say this task normally requires 15 working days at least, and you want to know how many working days are there between the start date and desired deadline, so you can assess if that's achievable or not. It saves you from overcommitting to the client and makes you look totally professional. Let's insert a column next to our deadline. Click on any cell in column J and press Alt, I, and C one after another. We have our new column. Let's call it Network Days. Now click on cell J2 and type equal Network Days, open parenthesis. Select cell C2 as our start date, and let's select cell H2 as our end date. Now select the list of holidays, and if you have not converted your data into a table format, then make sure you make this range an absolute reference. Now close the parenthesis and press enter, and there you have your net working days between two dates. Oh, but wait a minute. My actual deadline was calculated based on 10 working days, but NETWORKDAYS is saying there are 11 working days between these two dates. I am so confused right now. Don't worry. Let me explain to you. NETWORKDAYS gives you a number of working days between two dates, including both dates. On the other hand, Workday function excludes start day from its calculation. So, you will have to keep that in mind while using these functions. That's it for today. Practice with your own data and master Excel. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.